So are you salvaging the bricks? Are they usable?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Do
Yeah, take a
bricks
brick.
have asbestos in
Like a
them?
brick for the office or something.
Yeah.
I wouldn't doubt it though.
Get the fireplace somewhere. Isn't that cool how they must? Wow.
Right, go ahead.
Do it soft.
All set.
Yeah, we're running.
Oh, it didn't rain. Good boy.
You gotta make a dent in it
I'll
at
make it
least.
then. You swing, then I'm doing it again.
Oh, that felt so
You
good.
ready?
Yeah, I'm ready now.
You guys ready?
Here he goes.
I think the building's winning.
Wait,
Yeah.
Wait, we gotta put it out. Okay, one more. There we go.
One's coming
You
down.
get
I
out
want
while
to take the
you're
brick out.
Yes.
Okay, the Buckle Company will be coming down in the next couple of days. We're going to take this property that's been vacant and abandoned and try and repurpose it for a